Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Konrad Konggel Sangma Menteri Rangba Kajela ula pentim baka Tarik nagabenta ke Ilekshon MDC shiki artali ki ying dor bar thawan jong ki Autonomous District Council ki Kynhun bi ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka Jentia Hills Autonomous District Council lada ban Mynjur de ka Kynhun Myntri ka sarkar Henry kabadang sa menta kalong sa tanggajing Mynjur na kalyang ulat Kajela hadin kataan sala man pentikna bat penpenapait ba ya ki Tarik. Shisho Konrad ula pentibru halor kajing Mynjur ke Kynhun Myntri ya kikindon ban Syakri nagabenta kinong tre jong kaminghalia drugs and control wing namar kumratib bakani katrat rekam kladon nadu ki snem ki bamenshwa kaba amduna ya ka sanpo snem AA Henry kam don pat ikikindon bat menta kasngi na kalyang ka Kynhun Myntri kalapen bet bat Mynjur ikikindon bat kumalong kaminghalia drugs and control wing hagaju karukom la Mynjur ru ikaminghalia Commissionerate of Food and Safety Officers Enforcement bat ki technical subordinate and staff service rule arajar arpusaw bat kumakalong menta la Mynjur ya artali ki service rule hakatnat ka koy kakhiya da ka Kynhun Myntri kajla
Jentia Hills Autonomous District Council, and these elections, the entire schedule of the elections has been finalized by or approved by the cabinet. But of course, as you are aware, all of this has to be approved by the governor, and therefore, once it is approved by the governor, only then can we officially announce it. But the cabinet has now approved and proposed it for further approval of the Honorable Governor of our state. So we await that, and once we get the approval from the Honorable Governor, we will be officially announcing and informing the exact dates and the schedule of the council elections. The next decision we had taken was the adoption of service rules for officials of the Meghalaya Drugs Control Wing. As you're aware that the Meghalaya Drugs Control Wing has been there for many years, if I'm not wrong, almost 50 years it's been in existence, but there was no service rules for this department. So we have today cleared those rules, and also similarly, like for the Meghalaya Drugs and Control Wing, the Meghalaya Commissionerate of Food and Safety Officers, Enforcement and Technical and Subordinate Staff Service Rules, this also has been 2024 has also been today approved. So 2 service rules in the health department have been approved by the cabinet. We can say approved by the cabinet. It is ultimately the governor who is going to give the ratification and approve it. So you're right, it will be wrong for me to give a date, because then I cannot supersede the decision that has to be made by the governor. So only when you get the approval from the governor's office and secretariat, only then we'll be able to share the details.
Month, if you can.
I will not, I'll refrain.